If your boot drive isn't appearing in the BIOS on your computer or laptop, it can be due to various issues ranging from simple configuration errors to hardware failures. Here's a comprehensive guide to help you troubleshoot and resolve this problem. Power and data cables. Ensure that both the power and data cables are securely connected to your hard drive or SSD. Try different ports. If possible, connect the drive to different SATA ports or use different cables to rule out faulty connections. For external drives, use a powered USB hub or connect directly to a USB port on the computer, as some ports may not supply sufficient power. Access BIOS. Restart your computer and press the BIOS access key during startup. Common keys include F2, Dell, ESC, or F10. Refer to your motherboard's manual for the exact key. Navigate to storage settings. Once in BIOS, go to the Storage or Boot Options menu. Check Drive List. Look for your drive, for example, SATA 0, M.2, or the drive's model number in the list of connected devices. If not detected, proceed with the following steps to troubleshoot further. Alright, let's dive into the BIOS settings. First, you'll want to locate the SATA configuration settings. Try switching between modes like AHCI, IDE, or RAID to see if the drive becomes recognized. Next, make sure that USB ports are enabled in BIOS, especially if you're booting from a USB drive. If all else fails, consider resetting the BIOS to its default settings to eliminate any misconfigurations. Now let's check for any drive health issues. Listen closely for any unusual noises like clicking or grinding. These could be signs that the drive is failing. You can also run diagnostics using built-in tools or third-party software to check the health of the drive. And if possible, try connecting the drive to another computer to see if it's recognized there. Check for updates by visiting the motherboard manufacturer's website to see if a newer BIOS version is available. Carefully follow the manufacturer's instructions to update BIOS, as incorrect updates can cause system issues. If the drive is detected but the system doesn't boot, you should access Windows Recovery by booting from a Windows installation media and selecting Repair Your Computer. Then, open Command Prompt by navigating to Troubleshoot, followed by Advanced Options and then Command Prompt. Run the boot repair commands and, after executing these commands, restart your computer. Disconnect external devices by unplugging any unnecessary external devices, as they can sometimes interfere with boot detection. Test with minimal hardware by removing non-essential hardware components to simplify the system and help identify the issue. Consult professional help if you're unable to resolve the issue. Consider seeking assistance from a professional technician. If you need further assistance or have specific details about your system, feel free to ask.